I have these two big puffy butt cheeks under my eye. So a doctor on YouTube said to put 2 tablespoons of coffee in egg white and mix it around until it's frothy. But I don't want to make that much noise. Give me a minute. I think this is considered frothy. I think that's considered frothy. Wash my hands real quick. Okay, now I'm gonna take my my glasses off and let you see my my big fat. See that? Puffy butt cheeks on my face. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm kind of nervous to put anything near my eye, but mm, 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 mm. I also took some magnesium because I was watching something, and about 5 things I'm dealing with, all of them happened because of magnesium, and I haven't taken my magnesium for about maybe 2 weeks. I completely forgot. But anyway, I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off. I believe this one is already down. Now this one is not, but this one is definitely down. Yay! I'm gonna look like a human after a while. I haven't slept all night. Ooh, all night. And I was working on something for about an hour. So it's time to have some French fries. And then I'm gonna lay down and watch some TV. Yes, boys and girls. Mm. I think I need to wash it off now, but I think this one is a little puffy and this one looks like it's a little down. So I'm going to give it like maybe 2 or 3 more minutes because I want you to see the miracle that I'm expecting. I can't take this anymore. These are so amazing in the air fryer. Oh my goodness, you are going to love them. When I tell you, way better than McDonald's. Way better. I love this ketchup. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. You hear that? That's beautiful. Beautiful. But this ketchup, woo! I don't know how much I paid for this, but I need a really big one. And I wouldn't even have to worry about whether I'm gonna use it all or not. Definitely I would use it all. Definitely I would use it all. Oh. Oh. I don't know if this French fries are better or a sexy man wrapped around my body. I don't know. I think it's these French fries. I don't know. I think I ate around maybe 2 in the morning, and I was feeling a certain way. while I was laying down, but I knew I needed more to eat. I only ate a slice of bread. Mmm. 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 You already know I'm trying to go wash my face off, right? Mm-hmm. You already know. Mmm. 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 I cannot see if this thing is moving on this camera, but both of my eyes look better. This one here has been like really big for like maybe 2 weeks now, and I do believe it is the magnesium. Like I said, I was watching a video with a doctor about 5 of the symptoms that I'm dealing with. All of them said magnesium. So I'm going to take my magnesium every single day for the rest of this week, and I'm going to monitor my eye. But it does look a lot much better. It does look a lot better. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.